Remove date seeds with chopsticks. Save in airtight jar for Ramadan. Save in airtight jar. Take coriander and mint. Grind well with water. Save in airtight jar. Peel off ginger and garlic. Enter oil. Grind it. Save in airtight jar. Add tamarind. Add water. Add sugar. Salt. Color. Save it in airtight jar. Save fruit cream in glass jar. Cover with lid. Tamarind. Imli. Add water. Cover it. After 30 minutes, separate the pulp. Remove seeds. Strain again. Cook on medium flame. Sugar. Salt. Red chili powder. Cumin seeds. Bring to this consistency. Save in jar.